Hi everyone, welcome back to Dimension Rendering Studios. Today we're diving into some modern, stunning, and budget-friendly ideas to decorate your home for Christmas 2024. Let's make your home the coziest and most festive on the block. Start with the entrance. Create a grand first impression. Decorate your front door with a lush, modern Christmas wreath from eucalyptus, pine cones, and berries. Add a doormat with a festive message like Merry and Bright or Let It Snow. Use battery-operated string lights around the doorway for a welcoming glow. Go big on Christmas lights. Invest in energy-efficient LED string lights for both indoor and outdoor use. Try color-coordinated lights to match your home's theme. Incorporate twinkling fairy lights in jars or vases for a magical touch. Use a themed Christmas tree. Opt for a specific theme like Nordic minimalism, vintage red and gold, or trendy pastel shades. Mix and match textures with ornaments like glass baubles, wooden stars, and velvet ribbons. Add a modern tree topper such as a geometric star or an angel with LED lights. Add a cozy touch to your living room. Swap out regular throw pillows for holiday-themed ones with phrases like joy or ho ho ho. Add chunky knit blankets in festive colors like red, green, or white. Place a small decorated tabletop tree on your coffee table or side table. DIY ornaments for a personal touch. Make salt dough ornaments with kids and paint them. Use clear baubles filled with glitter, faux snow, or miniature figurines. Hang dried citrus slices for a natural rustic vibe. Highlight your mantel. Drape garlands of faux pine, eucalyptus, or magnolia leaves across your mantel. Add oversized stockings with your family's initials. Arrange a mix of candles in varying heights for a warm glow. Focus on the dining table. Use a neutral tablecloth and add a festive runner with a bold design. Incorporate a centerpiece made from candles, pine cones, and greenery. Set the table with gold or silver chargers, crystal glassware, and holiday napkin rings. Incorporate scents of the season. Use candles with scents like cinnamon, pine, or vanilla. Create stovetop potpourri with orange slices, cinnamon sticks, and cloves. Place sachets of dried lavender or cedar in various rooms. Style the kitchen with holiday cheer. Add festive dish towels and oven mitts. Use mason jars filled with candies, cookies, or holiday treats as decor. Hang a small wreath on your kitchen cabinets or windows. Create a winter wonderland with faux snow. Sprinkle faux snow on your windowsills and tabletops. Pair with small figurines like reindeer, trees, and snowmen for a whimsical display. Add faux icicles or frosted garlands for a snowy effect. Use unique wall decor. Hang Christmas-themed canvas prints or framed holiday quotes like Peace on Earth. Create a DIY photo wall with holiday family pictures and string lights. Use adhesive decals in festive shapes to decorate walls without damaging paint. Deck out your staircase. Wrap garlands intertwined with string lights around the handrails. Hang mini stockings or ornaments along the staircase. Add ribbon bows in festive colors at intervals for a cohesive look. Outdoor displays that, wow. Use inflatable decorations like Santa, snowmen, or reindeer for the yard. Illuminate bushes and trees with net lights for even coverage. Create a DIY snowman with white lights and wireframes. Build a holiday reading nook. Add a comfy chair with a plaid throw blanket. Place a small table with a hot cocoa station. Surround the area with string lights and mini Christmas trees. And finally, don't forget the windows. Use window clings with snowflake or reindeer designs. Hang ornaments or mini wreaths from curtain rods. Line the edges of the windows with string lights for a glowing effect visible from outside. And there you have it. 15 easy, modern, and stunning ways to decorate your home for Christmas. Let me know in the comments which idea you love the most. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.